Welcome. This is our fourth lecture of English language course and this is about English structures. The structures in English language have specific importance in speaking and bring flow in it. In English language, we have different structures like pardon, please, hear you or however, etc. And so today we have two structures. First one is some and the second one is any. We will understand these very easy and comprehensively, and I hope you will include these structures in your speaking. So now first we define some, that how we use some. Some is a structure in English language and we define it and its usage. So first we define its short definition, that it is usually used with uncountable and countable plural nouns for an unspecified, indefinite quantity, amount, or number of persons or things. But it can be used with singular noun to mean an unknown person, place, or thing. Okay, here we understand that if we don't know exact number of person or amount of thing, then we use some. Here some indicate the presence of person or amount without specific quantity or amount or number. So let's understand it with some example. Here we have some plus countable plural noun. So there are some boys in the class. Okay, there are some boys in the class, but we don't know the exact number of boys, that how many boys are in the class. So then we use there are some boys in the class. Some boys are waiting outside. Some boys are waiting outside. Some of the pictures were good. Some of the pictures were good. So here we have second parts like some with uncountable noun. That how we use some with uncountable noun. So he gives us some money every month. He gives us some money every month. But we don't know how much money he give him. So there is some milk in the jug. There is some milk in the jug. I need some milk. I need some milk. So we know that milk is uncountable noun. We can't count it. So we can use some with uncountable noun like I need some milk. There is some milk in the jug. So let's understand its usage with singular noun to mean an unknown person, place or thing. Some fool has taken my book. Some fool has taken my book. Here we don't know about that who has taken my book. That's why we use some fool has taken my book. He teaches in some school near his house. He teaches in some school near his house. So we don't know about in which school. That's why we use some in some school near his house. Some needy might have taken it. Some needy might have taken it. So let's move to another slide. Here we have any. So any is usually used in negative and interrogative sentence with uncountable and countable plural noun, but it can be used in positive sentence with a singular noun to mean one out of a number without any particular choice or restriction. So here we have some example. Give me any pin. Here we said that give me any pin what you want. We do not specify that pin, that which pin I need, that we just said to him that give me any pin, which one you want to give me. So call any doctor. Call any doctor. Bring me in a good mason. Bring any good mason. Bring any good mason. So we have some examples of some we use in positive sentences and any we used in place of some with interrogative and negative sentences. There are some boys in the class. There are some boys in the class. This is a positive sentence. If we change the positive sentence of some into negative or interrogative, then we use any word. Okay, we must use any structure. So there are some boys in the class. So we have heard there any boys in the class. Okay, we change the sum into any in interrogative sentence. So we have negative sentence also. There are not any boys in the class. There are not any boys in the class. Okay, next example. There is some milk in the jug. There is some milk in the jug. Is there any milk in the jug? Is there any milk in the jug? Oh, there is not any milk in the jug. There is not any milk in the jug. So, thank you for watching B or C. Okay, we will back with another videos. Have a nice journey of life.